Thank you for calling the Weather Service, proudly presented to you by Clearly IP. Worried about falls or medical emergencies? Get the life-saving MedGuard Alert New Care Watch. If you need help from anywhere at any time, use it to contact medical professionals. No cell phone required. The Care Watch is not only a life-saving medical alert device, it's a revolutionary health monitoring system that checks your blood pressure, heart rate, oxygen saturation, and much more. If you have Medicaid, you may qualify to get your Care Watch for free. The all-new Care Watch is only available through MedGuard Plus. We have monitoring programs starting as low as $1 a day. The call is free, activation is free, shipping is free, and no contract is required. Remember, with Medicaid, you may qualify to get your Care Watch for free in certain states. Don't wait, press 1 now.
The current time is 11:16 p.m., where the current temperature is 50.